All right, so I had someone ask me today, I'm eating 30 grams of fiber. What else I can do? And they're trying to manage their weight, and they have a little bit of elevated markers for diabetes. And so they're already eating 30 grams. 30 grams is the standard for about most men and women. It's higher for the women's side. But if you're doing all that fiber every day consistently with no side effects that are problematic, and the A1C is still going up, I want to look at your added sugars. I want to look at your total dietary fat at night. I want to look at your movement. I want to look at stress. I want to look at hormones. And it might not just be food. There might be so many other factors that are going on. And that's what I love about typical dietitians are going to look at the full picture. They're not just going to look at one thing like fiber or added sugar or carbs, which is what social media does, is you're going to look at the full picture. Your hormonal system responds to sugar and creates sugar from your liver and your muscles in states of survival or stress. And so it could be nothing that you're eating. It could be an emotional response or a nervous system response. So more food for thought.